Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, you will learn one of the amazing and most profitable trading strategies that will make your dream life come true. Because with this strategy, you can easily generate more income on a consistent basis by trading in the crypto, stocks, and the forex market. So make sure you definitely pay close attention to every details in this video and watch till the end of the video to better understand the strategy. As always, please click the like button for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe and turn on the notification bell to get notified when we upload a new video. So without further ado, let's get started. In this strategy, we are going to be trading with 3 different free TradingView indicators. So go ahead to this Indicators tab, over here, and search for UT Bot Alert Indicator, and click on this particular indicator. That will be our first indicator. Now, search for Black Flag Indicator, and add this indicator to the chart. And finally, search for Ichimoku Signal Score Indicator, and add this one to the chart. Now that we have added all the 3 indicators, let's set up the chart. So go to the setting of the UT Bot Alert Indicator, and on this input section, you will change this key value to 3, and approve this signal from the Heikin Ashi candles. Then, go to the Style section, and uncheck these 2 bar colors, and click OK. Now, go to the settings of the Black Flag Indicator, and on this input section, you will change this ATR period to 35, and this ATR factor to 2. Then, go to the Style section, and uncheck this extremum, and all these checkboxes, except for these options, and click OK. And finally, go to the setting of the Ichimoku Signal Score. You are going to leave all these settings to their default setting, both in the Input and the Style section, and then click OK. Now that we have our chart ready, let's go through and explain these indicators one after the other. Let's start with the Black Flag Indicator, which is one of the best indicator of this strategy. This Black Flag Indicator is a very simple trend indicator that is designed to print the direction in which the price action is going to follow, either in the upward or downward direction. When the indicator starts to change to green, it shows that the price is about to start an uptrend. And when the indicator band starts changing to red, it shows that the price is about to start a downward movement. When the market is ranging, you will see the Black Flag Indicator forming these flat ATR bands. And you will wait for the indicator to show a sign of a trending market before you will start looking for a trade entry opportunity. Because it is always good to trade in a trending market, instead of trading in a ranging market. Now, let's explain the second indicator. The Ichimoku Signal Score Indicator is also a very simple indicator that has a range of negative and positive values through this 0 line, with this signal line moving above and below the 0 center line. When you see this line moving above the center line, to the positive side, you will start looking for a long trade entry confirmation from the other 2 indicators. The opposite happens when you see the line crossing below the center line, to the negative side. Now, when the market starts ranging like this, you will start to see the Ichimoku Signal Score Indicator forming a choppy movement around the center line, which shows that there is no significant movement in the market. Now, let's look at the third indicator, which is our Buy and Sell Indicator. The UT Bot Alert Indicator is the indicator that we will be using to get the buy and sell signals when we have gotten confirmation to our directional bias from the first 2 indicators. For example, when you got this buy signal from the UT Bot Indicator, you can see that the Ichimoku signal line has crossed above the 0 line, and that the Black Flag Indicator has also shown a sign of a trending market by forming these green ascending ATR bands. And you could have placed a long trade like we have on the chart like this. The same thing happens when you get this sell signal. The Black Flag Indicator formed a red descending bands, and the Ichimoku signal line crossed below the center line, and you could have placed another sell trade like this. Now, let's show more examples that has the combination of the 3 indicators. Here is an example of a trade setup, and we are trading on the dollar-Swiss franc currency pair, and on the 1-hour time frame. You can see that when the price got to this point, you got a buy signal from the UT Bot Indicator, and the Black Flag Indicator changed to green. Notice that the Ichimoku signal line crossed above the center line, to the positive side. And you could have placed a long trade like this, and set your stop loss at this low here, and set a profit target of 1.8 risk to reward ratio. Now, when the price started reversing here, you got another sell signal from the UT Bot Indicator, and the Black Flag Indicator changed to red as well, and the Ichimoku signal line crossed back below the center line, to the negative side. Then, you will place a short trade like this, and set your profit target to a 1.7 risk to reward ratio. Now, let's look at another example. Here is an example of a buying setup, and we are trading on the euro-dollar currency pair, and on the 5-minute time frame. Now, when the price reversed from here, the Black Flag Indicator changed from red to the green bands. When you got this buy signal from the UT bot indicator, notice that the Ichimoku signal line crossed above the central line to the positive side. Then you will pick your tool and place a long trade at the close of the candle and set your stop loss at the low here, and extend your profit target to a 1.5 risk to reward ratio. You can see that this would have been a great trade entry opportunity. Now, please click the like button for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to get notified when we upload a new video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.